Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the notice block to create quick notice messages in Gutenberg. A notice block is one of the most used layouts in websites in order to inform visitors about certain events. It can be used as an alert message, or event successful message, or event failed message. There are lots of use cases. And the ZoloBlocks notice block offers a flexible layout to meet all your requirements. Unlike the competition, this notice block can be made into short messages, with custom colors, hover effects, icons, and backgrounds. Not to forget the preset skins, each with a unique layout style. So, are you ready to take advantage of this amazing block feature? Adding the notice block to your landing page is easy. All it takes is a click on empty block space and typing the block name in the search field to find it, and another click to insert it. By default, the notice block appears as an info type layout. If you want to start customizing the layout, you can find all options inside the Block Settings tab. Right at the top, you can choose the layout style of the notice from the 3 styles here. Style 1 is a regular color fill type, Style 2 is a square type, and Style 3 is a unique hover effect type. Note that Style 3 is available in the Pro version. And you can also choose the notice type from the option right next to it. Here, you can choose between Success, Info, Warning, and Danger notice type. Each of them has a unique color to define the event. As you may see, the icon appears on the left side of the content, but if you wish, you can change it to the right side using the Layout Direction option. Moreover, the block offers modular customizations with buttons for the elements, so you are able to turn off the icon, title, or description at any time, or may turn on dismissible notice, or infinite repetition type. The dismissible notice option adds a close button to the notice, so users can close the notice if they want. Then, what about the content of the notice? You can edit those under the Content section. If you want, you can change the icon for the notice. There's option for choosing an image in place of the icon as well. The same goes for the notice title and description text. Now, if you want to customize the appearance of the notice block, you can do that from the Style tab. Here, you will find a border option for the notice. With the border option, you can choose a custom border color, border type, and width. If you want, you can add border to your content. On top of that, you can also edit border radius if you want to round the edges of the notice box. Then again, the block also provides option for customizing the content margin and padding easily. What's more, you can choose to paint your notice background with plain color or a gradient. But for gradient, you can choose custom colors or color presets that's already given there. Additionally, the color options are available for hover effects as well. And if you want to add shadow effects for extra visual enhancement, the box shadow option will assist you. For the box shadow option, you are able to customize the shadow offset by XY, shadow blur, and spread. Also, you can change the shadow color. If you want to take it to the next step, you can dive into the Content section for more customization. In this section, the options are available for icon, title, and description. So, if you want, you can change the color of the icon here, as well as change the icon background color. The options also let you change the icon size, and if you want, you can add custom border around your icon with as many unique styles as you wish. The options also include border radius, padding, and margin. Additionally, you can enjoy custom box shadow here as well. You can also enjoy a few different customizations for the title text, such as the text color on the top. If you want to change the font style, then the typography option may come in handy. Typography is a combination of font customizations such as font family, size, weight, spacing, decoration, etc. So take your time to make the font awesome. Additionally, you can style your text with text shadow and text stroke options as well. And if you want to touch up the description text, you may switch to the description subsection. You will be able to customize text color, typography, and margin of the description text. And that's how you can create amazing notice messages using the notice block. Don't forget to check the ready patterns. They might help you get a quick start on the design. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.